So this is the extension that we're doing on part two on the bow and arrow. Now, the first chapter was just a broad scope of what we're going to be talking about. Now, today I want to be doing a little deeper dive into specific bow and arrows. So, specifically, I want to be talking about the drawstrings on certain bows. Here in North America, when you look at certain Native American tribes and you look at their drawstrings, a lot of it comes from sinew that's come from the animal. And now, when you take that type of sinew from an animal, it has different type of strength to it. A ram sinew will be different from an elk just on biological anatomy point of view, right? But now, if you look at it from a strength perspective, which one's stronger? Is it a buffalo sinew stronger than elk sinew? You got to look at these things and think, all right, well, the simple answer is look at the biology of the animal. What was its main concept? A ram is always button heads, made to be strong, climbing mountains. Okay. A buffalo is a large animal that has to have a lot of weight and it hits other buffalo. Just off of that distinction, both are really strong. But when you get down to the microfibers of it, the sinew from a buffalo is the best due to the fact that it can carry more weight load of a buffalo. Yeah, they're both made for tensing up and pulling back, but just that small factor of the buffalo having a lot more weight and muscle to carry around, the buffalo sinew is stronger. Even when you get down to the bones, denser. The buffalo bones are denser. They're bigger too. So that's something to think about. Now, if we're looking at bows, what's a really cool bow out there? Well, the magic bow is my personal favorite. Now, a magic bow. There's one in the museum in Boise, I believe, that came from the Bannocks. And the Bannocks would take ram horns and they'd shape them into a magic bow, which essentially is a bow and arrow. And a magic bow, they said, was the strongest bow you can have, shot the farthest. I always thought that was interesting. How do you come to one of those? How do you get one of those? It's difficult. Something to think about. The magic bow. Do some deeper research onto it. I've known some guys who said they can remake it, but I wonder what knowledge was lost because bowmanship, craftsmanship in that is not the same today as it was then. Sure, we have better technology, but some of those bows that took years to make were just simply far better and superior to the ones we have today. And that technology and that knowledge was lost. The knowledge transfer is no longer there. Sure, you can read books, but the only way to truly rediscover that is to actually do it yourself, make it, and then you'll learn along the way. It may take 20, 30 years before some of that knowledge transfer is rediscovered. And some of it is just lost forever. Well, anyways, thanks guys. Check us out, like, subscribe, check us out on Rumble. Till next time.